Let me ask you kind of maybe the obvious question. So for a person who's already built an MCP, I built my MCP, the classic way. What's the lift here? Like, how much work am I doing to rewrite or adjust my MCP to leverage code execution? And do you think, are there some cases where I should do it and other cases where I shouldn't do it? How do I decide if I'm a MCP author?
Yeah, good question. So I think MCP author can mean kind of one of two things, right? You can be a server author or a client author. And what this means for server devs and client devs is actually kind of different. And so I think for client devs, I would say just go out and implement code execution with MCP. It is almost strictly better in most situations if you're using, the latest frontier models. I think if your users are going to be using kind of underpowered smaller models, then potentially they will get confused with code execution. But I think also you should always keep in mind that today's models are the worst models we are ever going to have, and they are only going to get more intelligent, and things are just going to be cheaper and faster over time. And so developing for frontier models now is probably okay, because in 6 months or so there'll be kind of there'll be cheaper models available that can do all this. And so I would say in our internal evaluation results as well of doing this, we find at least for Opus 4.5, it's just strictly better on all metrics. It uses less context, it's faster, it completes more tasks. So even just not even on context, but also actually achieves more things, and it's able to pass more, achieve the user's intent more frequently when it has access to code execution.